Starting 21st of January 2026, TOEFL examination would see major changes. Now, what are those changes? Let's talk about those. The first is now the questions in TOEFL examination would be adaptive. That means as you attempt the questions, the level of difficulty would change based on how you attempted the previous question, similar to the SAT examination. Now, again, so far the test was of 2 hours duration. The duration would decrease to 67 minutes to 85 minutes, and it had 4 sections, so the 4 sections would remain, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. However, there would be new sections which would be added in each of these. For example, in reading, it would be complete the words and read in daily life, that is more applicative and related to more real world skills. Similarly, in writing, building a sentence, writing an email. In the speaking, listening and repeating and taking an interview, those would be the new sections that would be incorporated starting 21st of January 2026. On the TOEFL scores, again, the duration in which the results would be declared would be less. So within 72 hours of attempting the test, your results would be out. That would help in quicker application process and better competency. Also, the scale so far was 0 to 120. That would be now changed to 1 to 6 band with an increment of 0.5. Now, from 2026 to 2028, the scores would appear in both the ways, that is the new format as well as the traditional format, that is on a band of 1 to 6 and 0 to 120. However, after 2028, it would be only the new band, that is 1 to 6 band, which would be a valid band. So those are some of the major changes. However, whatsoever test you have taken before or after 2026 would be valid for the given duration. So thanks for joining in, and of course, if you are looking to prepare for TOEFL, don't miss the practice material at the link below. Have a great day.